Hey everyone, welcome back on this financial service cloud tutorial video. So in this video we are going to talk about household, right? So um a household represent a group of clients, right, and a business who financials are summarized at the household level, right? So let's have a look on the household sample. So if you are not seen here Rachel's admin sample in recently list, so for that go to the all account and search for Rachel and enter. Okay, so you can open from here. So click on this account record and click on the relationship tab, and under the Adam household, right? Under the Adam household, click on add relationship, right? And click on add raw uh, from who are membering of this group, right? We are adding a new member in this Adams group, right? So click on add raw here. Okay, uh, type here Eva. We are going to add Eva Adams here. We created this person account record in the earlier session, right? So select Eva Adams in the member name, right? And change the Eva's role in group to dependent, right? So let me just click on dependent and click on save. Okay, so we are if you see, yes, so if you see here, we added the Eva Adams in Rachel's Adams household, right? So if you want to make this member to primary group, right? So for that, click on drop down and click here on edit relationship, and please make sure this active is enabled to select the primary group, right? We should active this relationship for this member, right? And we should also enable the primary group, right, to make this primary. So click on save. Okay, now let's make the Adam household the primary group for the Scott Adam, right? So using the relationship group editor, so click on edit group. uh, Sorry, you can click on edit group from Adam's household drop down, right? So click on edit group next to the Adam's household sample record, right? And under the primary group, yes, under the primary group, like we have one column for primary group, right? So uh, okay, so enabled this toggle button for primary group for the Scott Adam, and change their role for the dependent, right? And deselect the other, right? And activities and object rollup, you can select all, right? So just click on save. Okay, so you should see an error here, right? So if you see this error due to the fact that a person can have only one primary group, right? This error indicates that another relationship group containing the Scott atom is already designated as his primary group, right? So let's switch to the Scott's primary group, toggle back to disable, and save, and let's fix the issue, right? So just disable this and save. Okay, so now let's navigate to the Scott Adam record, right? So go to the all account, search for Scott, open this record and open the relationship tab from here, and okay, and if you notice that Scott Adam is also member of Taurus Adams household, right? So here you can see the Taurus Adams household. So Scott Adam is also group for this household, right? So click on the arrow next to the uh, Taurus Adams household, right? And click edit group. Okay. So uncheck this toggle, deselect this toggle button for the primary group, right? And click on save. Okay, so now we need to follow the same steps for Scott Adam in Adam's household, right? So go to the all accounts, search for Adams, and click on Adam's household sample record, click on relationship tab and edit group. Okay, so now we can make the Scott Adam as a primary group for this household, right? So enable this primary group for the Scott Adam, right? And click on save. Okay, now we can see the Scott Adam is the primary group for this household, right? So this is the way how we can solve if one person is a primary group for the another household, right? So what we should do for that is we need to disable the primary group for that another household, right? So after that we can make this Scott Adam to primary group for this Adams household, right? So this is all the concepts to making one person primary group if the person is uh, part of the another household. So first of all we need to disable as a primary group in that group, right? So and after that we can uh, make this member as a primary group for this household, right? So this is the concept I want to discuss in this video. I hope this will help you. Thank you.